Okay, so welcome to today's class. Welcome to today's class. So in this class, what we'll be looking at, what we'll be looking at is on-page SEO. Okay, we'll be looking at on-page SEO. We've been able to deal with technical SEOs and setting up our Google Webmaster tool. So I would urge you that you go back from the beginning of this class if you've not done that, if you've not watched this video. So it won't make sense if you join the course from here. It would make sense if you probably start from the beginning where we had, from the beginning, we did introduction and then we actually set up Google Webmaster Tools, okay? Google Analytics, we will set up Google Search Console. We have set up Google Site Kit for those using WordPress websites. And then we went around to actually set up a new Google Gmail account, all right, analytics keyword, we use this, and then we audited a particular website. So I showed you guys how to audit a website and what you need to do to audit website, okay? And then this is on-page SEO, and this is where some of this major work actually starts, okay? So all in all, we've done part of technical SEO in the last class. So what I was able to do was to show you how to optimize your speed, optimize the website performance. So with technical SEO, basically some of the things that you need are the things that stop your website from loading fast. And also you'll be looking at how people can actually relate with your site in terms of speed and performance. So technical SEO has handled that, which we actually use two tools. I said you can use WP Rocket to fix all of those, and then or use nitropack.io to fix the technical part. Okay, so that will help you do all the compression, HTML compression, JavaScript minification, and you can use the basic tools. There are other tools out there that you can use, but basically these are the two tools that have worked for me and continue to work for me because I've been using them over the years and I continue to use them. So for you, if you're taking this course, I need you to focus on those two tools because they would help you. So you can only use just one of those tools. Okay, if WP Rocket did not work for you, I suggest you uninstall and then use NitroPack. All right, NitroPack would always work for you regardless of the website. It would always work. So in today's class, we're looking at on-page SEO. On-page SEO. So we like competitor analysis. How do you do keywords analysis for your competitors? We'll also be looking at types of keywords, and if time permits us, we'll look at header tags, meta descriptions, open graphs, and schema markups, and website layout. But I believe we can't take more than 2 or 3 of this agenda in here into this course. Okay, so in subsequent video, I would want you to attend and then watch the videos. Okay, so in today's class, I'll be looking at on-page SEO. Now the question is, what is on-page SEO? All right, what is on-page SEO? So I don't like defining stuff, giving meaning to something, but I like explaining it so that it sticks to you and then you understand. Now, if you're talking about on-page SEO, you are looking at the SEO that will be done, that should be done on your website so that search engine can actually pick it up, all right, and then rank the site. So the things that you'll be doing on your website, that's why it is called on. All right, the word on page, it means you are doing it on your own website. It is not external. All right, you are working at it on your own website. So everything you'll be doing should be done on your site. Okay, that's why the name, that's where the name derived from on-page SEO. There is no straight definition about it, but I like explaining stuff so you all can understand it. All right, there are SEOs that are done on your website or on your client site or any website you want to do or rank SEO for. Okay, so basically we're looking at competitors analysis and keyword research. All right, but before I move into computer analysis and keyword research, I want us to have a look of types of keywords, which is this. I want us to have a look of types of keywords. All right, so there are 2 types of keyword basically. All right, so there are 2 types of keyword basically. Number 1 is long tail keywords, and the second is short tail keyword or short keywords. Okay, long tail keywords and then short keywords or short tail keywords. So if you're looking at long tail keywords, these are basic keywords, all right, a string of words, all right. They can be 10 words, they can be 3-letter words, they can be 6, they can be 7, okay, keywords. Regardless, you should have a particular keyword that is in there. So if I'm going to use how do I start affiliate marketing, all right, that can be a long tail keyword. How do I start affiliate marketing? Because people are actually typing this on Google, they're actually typing this on search engine queries. Okay, how do I start with affiliate marketing? Okay, long tail keywords can also be 2 words. It can be affiliate marketing. It can be digital marketing. It can be search engine optimization specialist. It can be business owners. Okay, so any word that that exceed just 1 word, all right, you can call it long tail keywords. And the second one is short keywords or short tail keywords. So short tail keywords are majorly 1 word. Okay, they are majorly 1 word. All right. For example, I say affiliate. All right. For example, I say marketing, Facebook, Twitter. Okay. And the truth is, between long tail keywords and short tail keywords, which is more difficult to rank? Short tail keyword are more difficult to rank with on. Okay. Reason why there's long tail keywords. Long tail keywords are simpler to rank with. You can modify it. Like if I'm going to say, how do I start with affiliate marketing? I can say, how can I start with affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing, how can I start affiliate marketing? So you can twist long tail keywords, but in the short form is just 1 particular word. Okay, the short form is just 1 particular word. Now, from these types of keywords, we've distinguished that we have 2 types of keywords. We have long tail keyword and short tail keywords. Now, there are also forms of keywords. Okay, basically, people do not know this. Only few people know this, but in my research and what I've been doing online, I noticed that these forms of keywords actually exist. And what are these keywords? What are these forms of keyword? Number 1, we have transactional keywords. 2, we have informational keywords. And then 3, we have navigational keywords. Okay, so transactional keywords, they are keywords used just in case I want to buy something online. I want to make an informed decision right now to purchase a particular item. Either it is on Konga, on Jumia, on Alibaba, on any e-commerce site or anywhere at all. Okay, so I come on Google and I search for the cost of iPhone. What is the cost of this iPhone? Okay, iPhone X, iPhone Max Pro, Samsung X, and all that. All right, you want to know the cost. Okay, you want to know the cost, and then you want to buy it because you want to make an informed decision about that particular product you want to buy. All right, so having said that is transactional keywords. So transactional keywords, they are keywords used with the intention of buying that particular item. Transactional keywords, they are keywords used with intention of purchasing that particular item. Okay. Second on the list, we have informational keywords. Now, informational keywords, they are keywords that are used by users to get more information or get more educated about a subject matter. Okay, they are keywords used by users to get educated or get information about a subject matter. Like if I'm going to, informational keywords usually start with what, why, how, all right, because they want to know, how do I start affiliate marketing? How can I start affiliate marketing? Who is the president of the US, of the United States of America? Who is the president of Nigeria? Who is the president of Ghana? All right, so these are informational keywords. All right, and some of these keywords are typed in on search queries by users. So you need to know them. All right, you need to know them and then see how we can actually use these keywords. Now, on the third one, it is called forms of keyword. The last one is navigational keywords. Now, navigational keywords are keywords used for users, they're keywords used for users to navigate from search engines to a particular website. Keywords used by users to navigate from search engines to the website. Now, here's the thing. Have you ever wanted to visit a particular website and then somehow you forgot the URL? All right, you forgot it is facebook.com, or you just probably forgot the URL, but you know the name of the company. Basically, what people do is that they now go to search engine and then they type in the name of the company. Okay, it is not for the purpose of research, is that they want to navigate to the website. Okay, so if probably I want to visit Facebook and I forgot the URL, what I'll do is to go on search engine and then type Facebook. Once I see Facebook, I'll see facebook.com or facebook.net. I click on facebook.com, all right? And I land on Facebook and I continue to do what I'm doing on Facebook. So those are navigational keywords. I hope I'm making sense. Those are navigational keywords. So people use these navigational keywords to actually visit sites that they've probably forgotten the URL or the extension. Some of these, what's it called? Some companies' URL are very long. Okay, they are long and you're trying to compress, try to remember how the spelling looks like or how they use, what's it called now? They used, I'm trying to locate it, acronyms, all right, to actually write the domain name. There are people, their website is, let me use something like standard health, no, health standard journals, all right, health standard, for me that URL is long, health standard journal, they now say hsj.com, but probably you've forgotten that it is .com or .ng. So these are forms of keywords, all right? Transactional keywords, informational keywords, and navigational keywords. All of these keywords are used by users, all right, to search some stuff on Google. So we're going to go back to this first one, which is competitor analysis and keyword research. Okay, how do you do competitors analysis? Now, competitors analysis, it's simple to do. You can use any tools like what we've been using, the Spyglass. You can use Spyglass to do these tools, okay, to do whatever you want to do. But I'll be using Uber Suggest. Let me just use other tools. Uber Suggest is both free and paid, so you can decide. You can just test the free tools, and then if you want to pay, you can go ahead and subscribe for the premium version. Okay, I recommended it too when we started this class, which is free. You can download this on your system. You can use that to do what I want to do now, but I want to use another tools, okay, to test this out. So competitors analysis, what you need to do is to get competitors of a particular website or a business brand. Okay, a particular website or a business brand. So I'll be focusing on another niche today. So I want to look for mobile spa, all right? I want to look for a mobile spa. All right. I think I need to share my my screen at this point. I need to share my web browser at this point. I need to be sure if you can see my screen. Okay. So basically, I'll be using this site as a test, as a lab, as a test tool. Okay. I'm not logging. I just want to see. So I'll be using this site. To test something out. Okay. So basically, this is a spa company, all right? The mobilespa.com.ng. All right, the mobilespa.com.ng. Okay, so basically what we want to do is to search for our closest competitors. Okay, to search for our closest competitors. Of course, there will be somebody who asks, don't you think that competing with the top rank competition or the people you look up to in the industry will be too much. No, it is not. So most often time, people say, I'm in this industry, I can't compete with these people. All right, with this keyword, let me just go outside and use another keyword. No, it is not. You can actually outrank, all right? A new website can actually outrank any website that have been in existence for long. Okay, it does boil down to the SEO work that will be done on this new website. Okay, it all boils down to the SEO work that will be done on this particular website. So what I'll be doing is I'll be checking on Google, searching on Google for our top competitors. Okay, so I'm going to search for mobile spa, all right, or search for spa company in Lagos because I know she's in Lagos. Spa company in Lagos, all right, in Lagos, Nigeria. All right, so basically that's how to search for your own competitor. So anywhere you reside, if you reside in Imo State, you search for spa company in Imo State, Nigeria. If you reside in Lagos, spa company in Nigeria, in Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, basically that's how it should go, except you have a particular keyword that you want to search for. I could have used spa. If I use spa, I'll get several, so many spa company, both the one in Kaduna that we don't know their name. So I had to compress and limit the search queries to just Lagos alone. So we are looking for spa companies. TripAdvisor is not a spa company. Finley, these are local directories websites. Business List, the same thing. Oriki is the first I'm saying. So I'm going to right click and open the website up. Okay, basically this is how I do keyword analysis. I'll right click and open the website up. I'm seeing gray and glow spa. I'm going to right click. So because they are ranking on Google, so I'm going to right click and open. So I'll probably select 3. I'm not selecting too much. I'll probably select 3. I'm seeing apple and oranges, ng.com. Are these guys in Nigeria? Okay, they are spa in Nigeria. Okay, so I've selected my top 3. All right, I've selected my top 3, and these are the competitors that I feel are on Google. Okay, there are other ones there. You can see BioSpa, you can see DaySpa. All these ones are adverts. Let me check. You can see Rejuvenate. So I'm trying to get Spa Jibade. So while also doing this, you would probably want to check where your website is, or where your competitor's website is, or where your client's website is ranking. Okay. I'm still trying to look for something. This is page 3. Let me over to page 3. The mobile spa is not on page 3 at this very moment. Okay. Is this even their keywords? That's another thing you also need to consider. Are they targeting spa company in Lagos as their keywords? I don't think so. So I would probably want to stop here. Okay, I probably want to stop here. Right. So if you're doing SEO work, these are some of the things that you would do. Okay, you probably want to see where your client is ranking. So you go from page 1, page 2, page 3 to whatever page you see your client's website, and you do a screenshot that when I started this work as part of the audit, you were on so page. And then if you promise them first page of Google or second page of Google, depending on what the agreement was or it was, you'll be able to at least migrate them from page 100 to 1 or top 5. Okay, which is pretty much good. So I've opened Oriki. Oriki is the first rank. The second rank is grayandglow.com. This guy is even in Nigeria, so let me see the address. Okay, they are. And then apples and orange. Okay, apples and orange. So what I'm going to do is to copy Oriki's website. Okay, why is Oriki's website like this? But let me see. Sorry. No, Oriki used to have. So there are groups of companies. I need to see. There are group of companies. I think they've moved the main website. Let me see. The main website is now acting as e-commerce. Okay, why the spa is part of it. So let me paste back the URL. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and then open Uber Suggest. Okay, open Uber Suggest. So let me share my screen. I'm actually using incognito window. So I'm going to type in Uber Suggest. So Uber Suggest is owned by Neil Patel. All right, you can go and search for Neil Patel on Google, on YouTube rather. Neil Patel, these are the guys I follow regarding SEOs and all. They are vast, they have tools, they are good. So you can go as well and follow these people to learn more about them. Okay. I don't want to do all of this. This is just what I want to see. Let me sign in. I'm trying to sign in. I hope I can get some few. Let's just continue without signing in because to take our time, okay? Because the purpose of signing in is for me to get access to more SEO tools, SEO training and support and all that. But let me. So this is Uber Suggest, all right? This is how it looks like. So basically, what you need to do on Uber Suggest is to look around. Just if you want to read, look around and then read and then see what you want to do. But basically, I'm used to this site, so I'm not going to be doing all of those. All right. So what you want to type in is enter a domain or a keyword. Okay. So remember, we are doing competitors analysis. So we'll enter the domain in here. Okay. And then English United States, we'll search for Nigeria because this company is in Nigeria. So we'll search for Nigeria. Nigeria should be somewhere here. I think I've passed it. So search for Nigeria or search for the country you reside in currently. Okay, I'm saying English Nigeria, and then I'll click on search. Okay, so you want to look at the the keywords they are ranking for and the SEO difficulties of these keywords. Okay, these are what I'm looking at. All right, I'll be focusing on. I'm going to look at what keywords are they ranking with, and then what particular how difficult is the SEO. All right. I don't know what's wrong with my internet. Okay, it's coming up. So there are other tools you guys, like I said, the first tool I mentioned is a great tool. It's a great tool that you too can use. That you can use. So I just wanted to use this to show you other tools that are available for you to use. There's SEMrush. You can try SEMrush. Let me see if I can open SEMrush down. I'll try the same thing on SEMrush. There's HAREF. So some of these websites you can actually, so they are both free and paid, all right? They're both free and paid, but if I just starting off, I just wanted to just make use of their free resource. It's a keyword explorer. Get more measurable results. So I'm going to type in the same keywords in here, the same URL, search Nigeria down here. So I'm doing the same thing on SEMrush. Okay, Nigeria, and I'm going to do search. Okay. HAREF wants me to log in. So you can check this tutor out. I don't want to log in. Let me go back to Uber Suggest. Okay, fine. So this is Uber Suggest. All right. We'll have gotten more results and all that. I think these are all the results I get to. And then, so let me just explain something to you so you understand. All right. This is organic keywords. All right. So keyword, the number of keywords this domain ranks for in the organic search. So they are ranking of 502 keywords on Google or any search engines. Okay, organic monthly traffic. So they get about 3,000 people. All right, more than 3,000 people go visit their website organically. Okay, they visit their website organically. Domain authority. So domain authority, there are so many factors that come in play when it comes to domain authority, but let me just explain to you. So if your website is a domain authority, it simply means that Google has realized that you are a boss in that field. Okay, they realize that you're a boss in that field, and you've been there for quite some time to be recognized. Okay, so your domain authority will keep rising according to your website, according to how your content, how people visit your website, how people reference your site, how people backlink to your site. Okay, they start increasing gradually. So you don't determine that. Only Google determines this domain authority. Now, these backlinks, which we're going to be doing very soon, is pretty much how many links are linked to their websites. Okay, like if I write an article about them and then I link to their site, it will be counted as a backlink. Okay, so how many backlinks are linked to their site? Now you are seeing no follow here. All right, in backlinks we have what we call no follow and do follow. All right, no follow simply means they have 54 no follow. It simply means that 54 people linked to them, but they are telling crawlers not to follow the link, not to count it as a backlink. Do you understand it? All right, they link to them, but they said do not count it as a backlink. Okay, so it will have been if they have this 54 in here, and then this 54 is part of this backlink, all right, but they are saying 54 links that are linked to this site, all right, they are no follow. It simply means they are not counted as backlinks. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down for you to see. This is the 7-day free trial. I'm not doing 7 days free trial, but let me calm down. I'm actually searching for this. All right, this is where I'm coming to. All right, view more pages to drive blah 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 and all that. They want us to pay, but we are not interested. Okay, we are not interested. Now the top SEO pages. I'm just showing you this. Almost all SEO tools have this, but where I'm going to is actually down, 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 down. All right, top pages by country, top pages by country, of course, by Nigeria. Nigeria people visit this website quite a lot, and this is the most viewed URL, which is the home page. Okay, but this is where I'm going for this down, down, down in here. You see top keywords by country. All right, this is what I'm looking for. So if you look at what we're seeing right here, all right, Oriki has spa as a keyword. All right, and the search volume for spa is 8,100. All right, so if I search for spa on Google or on Bing or Yahoo, all right, Oriki will shows up, and their position in there is number 7 for the keyword spa. For the keyword, is a shorter keyword spa. All right, so estimated visits that they get, all right, that this particular spa gets for them is 839. Okay, now this is Oriki. It is their own, of course. They should rank number 1, which is their position here is 1, and then it gets volume 1,600 search. Okay, they have Oriki Spa, Oriki Spa in. They rank, their position is number 4. Okay, and then they have 360, 260 in here. So these are keywords that they are ranking for. Okay, Oriki Spa price list, beard oil, Oriki Lagos. We'll have gotten more. If I click on this, I think they probably ask us to pay or something, but let me just see. Oh, awesome. Let me just see. Amazing, amazing. So I'm getting more stuff in here. I'm getting more stuff in here. So basically, so the keywords now is that telling us, so they have keywords, all right? I like Uber suggest for something. It will tell you where you're using the keywords on. So they have this spa. This spa is on their page called the Oriki Spa, all right? That is where the spa keyword is. I need to see if I can increase my screen so you can see it. Okay, so I've increased my screen to 150. Okay, so The spa is one the spa. This is the URL, the search volume. Talk about it. Now, this was what was not there before. All right, SEO difficulty. SEO difficulty. So for you to rank with the word spa, for a new website to rank with the word spa, it will be difficult. The SEO difficulty is 66. Now, I would only recommend if you are just starting up, with SEO on a particular website and you are looking at, for example, Oriki as the top company in the industry, and on Ubersuggest or any of these SEO tools, you have this information that for you to rank with spa, all right, on your own new website, the difficulty is 66. So if you're just starting up, look at between 40 to 1. All right, 1 to 40. Let it be less than 40. At least start from 40 to 1. All right, from 40 to 1. So always look out for SEO difficulty. So for me, some of these keywords are no until I see something like this. You can see spa in Lagos. All right. So you can fight for this. You can fight for this keyword, spa Lagos. All right, spa Lagos. You can go for that keyword, spa Lagos. It is 29. The SEO difficulty is very low, so you can compete with this. All right, you can compete. The search volume every month is 880. All right, and for them, they have number 3 position. So if you search for spa in Lagos, Oriki should be able to come up in the top 5 search. Okay. Now I'm going to come down. You see 31 in here for spa in Lekki. All right. So it means you can compete with these keywords. So basically what I would advise you do, or what I do usually, is I write down all these SEO difficulty keywords. Okay. SEO difficulty keywords. SEO difficulty keywords. Okay, so I there's a place for you to export this. I think is okay. Probably when you okay, you can export. Look at it here. Right, so you can just click on this and export all. You can export this data into your Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet Excel. All right, just copy, download. Okay, you can open it. You can open it and then filter it. All right, if you've registered here, you can filter it. So for every SEO difficulty score that is less than 40, you want them to stay. Anything higher than 40 should go. So if I'm going to target this, I'll target 32, this 29, which is Spa Victoria Island, Perfect Glow Oil. That means if I have that, I look at 34, this one that has spa in Lekki in here, massage in Lagos is 46. You can still target that if you want to. Okay, you look at this 29, which is spa in Lagos, and all that. All right, so there are other keywords for this. Okay, so what you can do, like I said, just export this, download it to your system, and then open it up in a Microsoft Excel or Google Excel. Okay, and then make sure that you trim your keywords down. So by the time you say you only want keywords between 40 to 1, all of this will disappear on the Google Excel sheet, and then you have limited keywords to want to compete with. Okay, that is for Wiki. I'm going to go back and then copy this gray and glow. So let's see for gray and glow. Let's see for gray and glow. So I'll come in here, type in the gray and glow, and then I'll do search. Okay, remember we've done for Richie, and we are targeting just top 3. Okay. Now for gray and glow, this is the website URL. Okay. So you can see spa in Ikeja. So they are based in Ikeja, not probably, they are actually based in Ikeja. If you are seeing spa in Ikeja, it means they are based in Ikeja. Spa in Ikeja has 50. All right, you can go for it, but I would advise not to go for it. So anything less than 40, go for it. So you can see SPA in Ikeja GRA. You can go for this if your business is in Ikeja GRA. If not, it will not rank. All right. SPA in Ikeja GRA. She has SPA in Lagos. You can see the same SPA in Lagos. SPA in Lagos and prices has 42. You can go for that. It's still 42. All right. So basically, SPA in Lagos, all of this. So basically, like I said, just copy this, export this into an Excel sheet. All right. And then do your SEO difficulty. So this is where I always want you to focus on. All right. Focus on the SEO difficulty and then the search volume. All right. The volume of these keywords, number of searches this particular keyword has doing a month. All right. Like you can see, this SPA in Lagos has 880. All right. It's very high. People are searching for using that key phrase, SPA in Lagos. All right. That is that about this company. Let's get a third company. Let's get the third company. And then I'm going to copy and paste the URL in here, and then I'll click on search. Okay, I'll click on search. Now you can see SEO difficulty. I'm just looking for the one that is 28, natural hair salon in Lagos. That's another keyword, another long tail keyword. Can you see you are beginning to generate keyword for yourself, even if you don't have any keyword at all. Even if you don't have any keywords, you're beginning to generate keywords for yourself. Natural hair salon in Lagos. All right. That means if you do salon, if you don't want to target that. Natural hair salon, this one has 39. This one, natural hair salon in Lagos. So they do spa and salon. All right. Free therapist in Lagos, 29. Barbing salon near me. Okay. So you can do the same thing. Click to export this, download this, and then filter them. So by the time you do this to about 3 or 4, but usually I tell people do 10. Okay, if you're doing for clients, do 10. If you're doing for yourself, you probably want to limit to 5. But if you're doing for clients, do 10. If the client does not have keywords already that they want to target, do keywords research and then do 10. So these are competitors analysis. So while doing computer analysis, you can actually find out your own keywords. Okay, remember I said spa in Lagos. All right, our keyword was spa in Lagos, Nigeria. That was a long tail keyword we used. And then you are in Lagos, you own a business that's in Lagos, and you choose to focus on spa in Lagos. Okay, this is your own keyword, and you can begin to target that keyword. Okay, so we've been able to cover keyword analysis, all right, competitors analysis, and then keyword research. So basically, this is how you do keyword research, basically. All right, basically, this is how you do keyword research. But I'm going to show you something. I just discovered this tool some weeks back, and I've been using it to do some amazing stuff. Okay, and I'm going to show you that thing. I'm not supposed to do this, but I'm going to show it to you. It's something you probably need at some point. Let me just share my other screen with you. Okay, so this is the site. This is the website. Let me go back. h-supertools.com. h-supertools.com is owned by one great guy. I've forgotten his name now. All right, it's a free SEO tools. Okay, it's a free SEO tool. Just sign up with them. I've signed up with them. This is my account. I'm logged in already. So create an account with them is free. Okay, so I use this often time because how many people are using users that are using this currently. You can see views and all that. So it's a great SEO tools that you can use. You can get free backlink and all that. Help you do SEO analysis and all. Okay, you can do pretty much all of these things on this website. Okay, so you can use these particular tools to do keyword research. Okay, now listen. If you remember, we did keyword analysis. I said download those analysis and then limit the SEO score to 40 to 1. All right. So by the time you do that for like 10 companies, you'll be able to get an idea of your own particular keywords. Okay. Now for you to now expand on that keywords, you can expand on the keyword because you'll be writing content, you have blogs, you have pages on the site that you want to rank for SEO. Okay. What you will now do basically is to expand on one keyword. So we're going to use spa in Lagos, Nigeria. All right, spa in Lagos, Nigeria as our keyword. So what I'm going to do in here, if you check this to h-supertools.com, h-supertools.com, you can click on this keyword research tools. So if you're a YouTuber, you come to YouTube and say YouTube keyword tools. You can see this site is amazing. It can help you write content, all right, content generator, but not audio content. Gives you content idea, then you can build on it. Okay, you can check in here, email validation and all that, but come to SEO and click on keyword research tools. Okay, so another tool you can use Google Keyword Planner. Reason why I don't want to use Google Keyword Planner is that before now I used to use Google Keyword Planners, but there are other tools out there that are amazing. Okay, Google Keyword Planner will just tell you what basically from experience what advertisers are actually using to advertise. All right, the type of keywords they want their adverts to pop up on. Basically, that's what Keywords Planner dash out to you. But you can use that. I'm not trying to discredit any keyword planner. So I'm going to type in here spa in Lagos. Sorry, spa in Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, I say I'm not a robot. All right, and then I'll click on search. Okay, I'm not a robot. Click on search, and then the tools will go to work for you. So for content generation, you want to generate like blog topic using keywords. Okay, you can do this, but let me come down. I think I'm beginning to see results. I'm saying error, SEO difficulty, error, monthly search volume 90, paid competition. It's still loading, but I need to get some information in here. Awesome. So you can see now. All right. So they've been able to do all this for us. You can see spa in Lagos and prices. Okay. You can see competition. Competition is very low. So if you want to run ads, you can use the keyword to run ads. All right. The CPC is 0 because nobody is running ads with that name. All right. Now you can see how the monthly search volume on this platform is. So spa in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria actually has monthly volume of 10. Okay, but you can see we only type in spa in Lagos, Nigeria, spa in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria, spa resort in Lagos, food spa in Lagos, Nigeria, spa in Victoria Island, Lagos, Nigeria, spa day Lagos, Nigeria. How much is a spa Nigeria? Spa in Lagos, mainland, and prices. Okay, I want to scroll down. Best spa in Lagos, Nigeria, massage spa in Lagos, Nigeria, spa in Surulere, spa. So these are keywords, all right? These are to do basic keywords. Even on Uber suggests, you can pretty much do the same thing. So this thing takes time, but it's sure worth it. All right, it takes time, but it's sure worth it to do SEO, to do keyword research this way. Okay, to do keyword research this way. I'm going to share my PowerPoint to do keyword research this way. So basically, we've been able to cover competitors analysis and keyword research, types of keywords. Okay, so and types of keywords. So I need you to probably watch this video again and again until you understand and then practice alongside with me. All right, practice alongside with me. Everything I've done, I also need you to implement it. So thank you for this video. Now watch the next video.